In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Genspark AI app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to fix this problem, you need to go back to Google Play Store and then open it and make sure you are logged in before you try to install the app. However, if you are already logged in but you couldn't install it, just tap on this profile icon and go down to settings. From settings, look for this option, network preferences, and under it, go to app download preference. Here, choose over any network, which is the first option here, and then OK. This will ensure you can download your apps via the current network you are connected to. From here, now you should be able to install your app without any issue. But should you find any challenge at this point, then the problem might be with Play Store app itself. For that, you need to access Play Store app info page by just long pressing on it, and you can see info here. If you don't see app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access Google Play Store app info page. Here, force stop the app and then go to clear data and choose clear cache and OK. Restart your smartphone and then go to Google Play Store, open it and activate search. So I'll search for Genspark and now try to install the app. So I'll tap on this app and try to run and see if the problem has been fixed. As you can see, I'm now able to download and install this app. However, at this point, if you still have any challenge, then you might want to free up space to create more space for you to download and install this app. So that's how you can fix can't install Genspark AI workspace app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.